Alright, I got another nice Zippo delivery today. Let's take a look at it. Now this one comes as usual in the nice black Zippo box, made in Bradford, PA in the USA. And the label on this one says Skulls Ornament. And actually this one is more of a Day of the Dead Zippo. Lots of skulls on this one. And it is brass. And it was made in, let's see, that's J of 15. So I think that's October of last year. And it is brass. I think that's street chrome brass. Got a good sound. Lights up nice. And it does have that brass insert. That's always good. So that is a Day of the Dead Zippo with plenty of skulls. I'm going to put that one here, but I do have quite a few skull Zippos. I'll give you a short look at some of them. This is almost all I have. But here are about 20 skull Zippos. There's a good Day of the Dead Zippo. And let's do a drop test on this Zippo, see if it's a quality made. There's my target. Here's my Zippo. First I'm going to do it with the lid closed. Still works okay. Now I'm going to do it with the lid open. Still works okay. Still fires up. That's the quality of a brass Zippo made in the USA. And it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.